Okay, so let's discuss my open positions and my current market actions. Sige, bilisan lang natin since gusto nating i-limit to 30 minutes lang itong video na to. So, I still have technically 5 minutes. So, looking at my possessions, so for today, I gained around $3,300. $3,300. So, roughly 20 pesos. So, majority of my gains came from VST, VRT, Hood, and Sienna Corp. So, nagpakita tayo ng ating blotter, possession blotter in Cien. So, yesterday, I was up by 1.8K. End of day, ito yung pinaka-recent blotter, 2.9K unrealized PNL for Cien. Anong ginawa ko with this possession? I sold half. I sold half at my targets. At 99.87. I sold half, 115 shares. I still have 120 shares of Cien. So, sell partials lang. So, yung setup with Sienna Corp is simply a post-earnings wedge, a post-earnings channel pullback breakout. So, sa 1-hour time frame, may makikita ka dyang mini coil or mini consolidation after this channel breakout. So, ang ginawa ko ay naglagay ako ng buy stop limit order at $87, 87.10. Stops ko nilagay ko at 84.2. Initial targets ko is based on the 1618 measured move with respect to this decline channel. Ito yung decline trading range natin. Yan, yung pullback na yan. So, the idea was, if it rallies, yung 1618 level, yung next target. Roughly, near the $100 round number area, di ba? So, I sold half. I'm still holding half. So, if it moves higher, okay lang. If it moves lower, okay lang din. My trails for now is at $95 or $94. So, actually, nawala na yung order ko dito. Nawala na yung order ko with Cien. Na-cancel na kasi. So, always be aware na whenever you have a bracket order, tapos na done yung bracket order mo, technically, OCO order yan. So, ang kailangan mong gawin dyan is, kailangan mo mag-send ulit ng order. So, ito yung ating order section. Nag-edit ako ng ng layout natin. So, anyway, let's go back to Cien. Punta tayo dito sa Sienna Corp. Lagay tayo ng stop limit order. Ano muna, no? Ilagay natin yung stop order natin sa $90. Bigyan muna natin ng breathing. Baka kasi ma-whip lang ako at 94. Then, sayang lang yung position. Yung runner position. So, how do you set your trail stop order? Pick your level. So, $90. So, lagay mo dyan yung stop order mo, yung trigger price mo, and then the limit order. So, usually yung ginagawa ko, yung limit order, one tick lower than my stop order. So, kunyari, ma-hit yung $90, isa-sell down nyo sa next next bid order or yung next bid. So, para siyang limit marketable order, kumbaga, no? So, double check natin, sell stop limit, Cien, 120 shares. I-fill outside RTH natin para in case, kunyari, magkaroon ng bad news during post-market, pre-market, at least makapag-react ka. Hindi yung maiipit ka. Tulad nung nangyari with my, anong trade ba yan? IonQ. IONQ. Yun, tama, IonQ. So, may documentation din tayo. Sige, okay na. Sell stop limit. Yan. Or override and transmit. So, ito na yung stop order ko for Cien.